Okay guys, you are going to absolutely love this recipe. It's a twist on the classic street food snack Koose, and I call it the beef stuffed Koose. You're first going to start off by seasoning your minced beef with the aromatics and some sesame oil. You find the ingredients list right below. You're going to add 1 cup of beans flour to a bowl, followed by 1 cup of water. Mix this thoroughly until you have a smooth batter. And if it's too light, add back a little bit more beans flour. Season it with salt, add your aromatics, and stir through and set aside. And to this, I'm going to add 1 egg white. So egg white actually will make the batter more fluffier. And you can actually also use the whole egg, but I prefer using the egg white. Using a whisk, incorporate air into the batter to make it extra fluffy, and that's how you get fluffy Koose. And I did a test first with 1 spoon of the butter, followed by 1 spoon of the meat within the butter, and cover that up with more butter. So as you can see, I'm flipping it around to make sure it doesn't burn. So this is really important for Koose. You have to keep flipping it around. And you also make a bit of a bed within it so that the meat can lie in nicely, and cover it with more butter. So just keep turning them around, and you realize that the bottom is browning before you flip over. So don't flip over until you see the bottom nicely browning. Isn't that a beautiful golden color? So this Koose was really scrumptious and was such a healthy snack. Whenever I felt hungry, I'll just take one, and because of the protein within it, it was really filling for me. So you have a crispy exterior, and the inside is just soft and fluffy and delicious savory meat. If you season your meat really well, trust me, you enjoy this snack. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.